Hello everyone, I'm Neha. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do the review of the newly launched Elle 18 compact. So Elle 18 is a brand which is in the beauty market for a long time. They have kajal, lipstick, foundation, etc. So when I got to know that they are introducing their lasting glow compact, I really wanted to do a review of this and see if this works well. Till now my go-to compact was the Maybelline White Super Fresh. Mine is in the shade Shell, and in Elle 18 I got my shade in 02 Marble. So on the packaging of the compact, here right above the barcode you can see the shade name. So let me see how the product is. Okay, so this is the compact, the Elle 18 logo, and at the back you get the manufacturer details, the price, the shade name, and the use before date as well. So let me see how this is. Okay, so this is how the product looks. You get a mirror, a sponge, and below that you have the product. So the review, I thought that I should try in two different ways, one with my powder brush and one with the sponge. So on the right side of my face I'll be using my powder brush, and on the left side I'll be using the sponge given with this. Okay, so I did my left side with the sponge, and this is actually giving me a natural glowy finish. Yeah, and the oiliness on my face is also not visible, so this worked well with the sponge. Now let's see how the powder brush works on the right side. So both the sides are done, and I can see a very natural finish and totally even. I can't see any sort of white patchiness or anything on my face. Very beautifully done. And yeah, I think this has done a good job. So I would like to recommend it to every girl or working women. So this is actually giving a very natural finish. I think this would do really well for everyone. They are having 4 shades. Mine is 02 Marble. So they have 3 more shades: Pearl, Shell, and Coral. So I think that would be really nice for girls who are having a darker skin tone and also a lighter skin tone. So you can select your shade and see which one is best for you and get your own compact. So I think this has done a pretty good job. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked my video, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.